Sensing optical cable deployment of PFIDS. The deployment of sensing optical cables is related to the number of system channels, the type of medium, the height, the length of the perimeter, and the type of intrusion to be prevented. There are 3 common laying methods. Single-line deployment. Single-line deployment is simple to install and saves on fiber optic cable. It is typically more suitable for fences under 1.5 meters in height, but has lower sensitivity and is prone to false negatives. Single-line deployment is better suited for concertina barbed wire. Wavy-line deployment. Wavy-line deployment offers a large coverage area and high sensitivity, but it is more complex to install and requires a longer length of optical cable. For general barbed wire applications, we recommend using this deployment method. Dual-line deployment. A redundant architecture designed specifically for dual-channel PFIDS, enabling automatic switchover to the backup channel in the event of a single optical cable failure.